So, today we want to explore something wild in the mountains. Yeah, back at it with our boy. So, I found this abandoned villa. It looks shit, to be honest, but it's a big complex. Let's see what's inside. It doesn't look that abandoned, but people have thrown rocks, broken windows, but we'll see. Managed to squeeze through here. Yeah. There is a police line. Whoa! A police line, but we'll check that later. I saw pictures on Google Maps for this place in 2012. It was working, there was working lights, everything was nice. Oh, this room is cool. But there are more buildings if we follow the road outside. There are a couple of buildings in that direction. Maybe they are more secure. It looks like a school. They're probably going to renovate it, but they left. Maybe the budget was too low. Cards, yeah. Ще да кажа, че е от шах. А той е от шах, това е царица. It's shit. Oh damn, the main entrance. Малкия. I don't get why people just go and trash place like this. Just leave it. Килим. Гилзи. Виж? Гилзи. Я да видим сега. Това какво е? Има това от бойно оръжие. 9 мм. От бойно оръжие, защото те газовите имат като капачи. Нали, като са гръмни, то само се отваря капачето все едно. Side quest, we have to find a weapon. Shit. Okay, hello. Sucks. It looks like someone lived here. Тук изглежда по-модерно. Възглавници. Това е доста cool. Някой е стрелял. Nothing special. That's kind of creepy. The same rooms. This was a villa or a hotel? A resort? Well, this place has nothing interesting in it. I expected some big rooms, some, I don't know, like theater room, maybe, right? Тази стая е перфект, човек. Къде? Завести, блокираш вратите, къмпингувате и си тръгвате. Like this room is perfect if you have to stay for the night. Cover the window, remove the shit, block the doors, and you chill for the night. Well, we're gonna head to the next. Well, We're going to head to the next buildings. If we find something interesting, we're gonna film it. So I think we're on the right path. The buildings, one should be somewhere here on the right and one near the road. We'll see. If people are here, we cannot explore, man. Like, it's not abandoned. So we'll see. So we thought this place was abandoned, but it turns out it works. There's people back on that road on villas. We saw one grandpa. They're probably working here, but now it's out of season. So there is another big building. We're gonna check it out. Hopefully we can go inside. But I don't know from where is the road to it. So we found this hotel. It looks empty. Like the last one was abandoned too, but it had some stuff inside it. Let's hope there's something to look at, not just empty rooms. This is big, like 4 stories. Catch you when we go inside. Well, I think this is the main entrance was blocked, but we saw some new barricades somebody put. Probably somebody destroyed the window. I didn't film it, but there was a plastic bag over a window with a hole inside of it. Well, I thought so. Ne dej. That's what I was talking about. Damn. This was a quick video. We didn't manage to find a way inside the hotel. It was all bushes, locked, and like sensors and stuff. But we came for this building, and I'm glad that we managed to explore it. Really cool, nothing that out of the ordinary, but still, it was a cool find.